Emily Adams, Assistant HR Director, and I've been with Festival Foods for 16 years. So I actually started back in 2008 as a cashier at our Copeland store over in the La Crosse Market. Walked in for an open interview, knowing that I came in part-time as a cashier, not knowing really what I wanted to do, and probably at the end of the day wasn't set on working for a grocery store at that time. But it took other individuals and leaders in my life that saw something in me that said, hey, have you ever thought about making this a career? What has kept me here for 16 years, right? Someone who came in part-time, not knowing what they wanted to do, was the culture in itself. It's the family-oriented, the giving back in our communities. It's the friendships that I've made through those 16 years. Some of the closest people in my life to this day I've met through this company, and that just goes back again to our basic of remember we're a family.